Events A and B are such that P of A equals to 0.65, P of B equals to 0.75, and P of A intersection B equals to 0.6. Find P of A union B, hence or otherwise, find P of not A intersection not B. Okay, so if we look at A here, the probability of A union B, which if we draw ourselves a Venn diagram here, we would be able to visualize that both these circles, let's name this one A and this one B, would mean that this entirely would be 0.65 and this entirely would be 0.75. Now this, make sure that you understand that 0.65 includes this little intersection here. And here as well, we can see that this 0.75 also includes this intersection right here. And this intersection is 0.6. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah, 0.6. So when we are trying to find the probability of A union B, we are basically trying to find all of this right here as a whole, right? So when we are doing the probability of A union B, we need to ensure that we add both 0.65 plus 0.75, but do not forget to minus 0.6, as we already have a 0.6. For example, the 0.6 is already a part of 0.65, but then another 0.6 is added upon through 0.75. I don't know if that makes sense, but I hope it does. We need to minus that, and this would be 0.65 minus 0.6, 0.05, 0.05 plus 0.75, that would be 0.8. Now, if we look at this Venn diagram again, we can tell that we're trying to find not the intersection of not A and not B. So not A, I'm going to color it green here, would be all of this here. Then not B would be all of this here. Now what we begin to realize here is that the outside parts are what intersect between the red and green, which are not A and not B. So what we can understand from this is that, remember that the probability of everything is 1. So when we're trying to find P of not A intersection not B, it would be 1 minus the probability of A union B, because we're trying to exclude this part right here, as the only things that intersect are the outside parts between the green and red, or the not A and not B. So when we go through with this, it would be 1 minus 0.8, and that would be 0.2.